Hello, my name is Pamela Johnson, and my topics today are ARP, ping, Tracert, and Ipconfig. ARP, which stands for Address Resolution Protocol, is a network layer protocol used to convert an IP address into a physical address. The Address Resolution Protocol uses a simple message format that contains one address resolution request or response. The size of the ARP message depends on the upper layer and lower layer address sizes. You can also use ARP to view and modify the contents of the ARP cache by typing ARP-A. It displays a list of the cache entries, including MAC addresses. Okay, I've opened the command prompt as administrator. As you can see, I typed the ARP-A, which is you just simply type ARP space -A and enter, and it gives me my internet address, my physical address, and the type, dynamic. You can also use ARP-D to delete incorrect entries. You can use ARP-S to add new entries into a group. Okay, the next topic on the list is ping, which is a computer network utility used to test a host on an internet protocol network. Also test the round trip time for messages sent from the host to a destination computer. Okay, we're going to just go out to our command prompt and we're going to ping yahoo.com. As you can see, I pinged www.yahoo.com, which all you do is just type ping into your command prompt, then your address that you're going to ping. And hit enter and let it do its job. And it tells you the bytes. It tells you the address that you're getting a reply from. It tells you the time, 23 milliseconds. Tells you the minimum and it tells you the max. It tells you the number of packets sent and the number of packets received. Okay, my next topic is Tracert. It is a computer network tool. Tracert traces route path and transit times of packets on the network. It is used for network troubleshooting. It also identifies the path taken to reach a destination. Okay, the last topic we'll talk about is the Ipconfig. It is the Internet Protocol configuration. It also is a console application. Ipconfig in Microsoft Windows is a console application that displays all current TCP/IP network configuration values and refreshes dynamic host, configuration protocol, DHCP, and domain name systems. Okay, here is just how we can use with Ipconfig/all. It displays full configuration information. Okay, if you're having problems, you can use Ipconfig release. It will release your IP address, and you can renew the address to correct some of the problems that you're having. Okay, we open our command prompt. We type Ipconfig/all, and it lists the host name. It lists your IP address. It lists your MAC address, your subnet mask. It lists it lists when your lease expires, which mine expires. It was obtained on the 6th and expires on the 7th. Okay, if we want to release our we having internet problems and we want to try to resolve it by checking to see if we're having problems with our IP address, we can release it and renew it. And just type Ipconfig/release, enter, and it just gives you the IP address. And you don't have an IP address. That's just let you know that it's just totally got rid of the IP address that you had. And to renew it, we just type Ipconfig/renew, and it should list the IP address, subnet, mask, and default gateway, and it does.